Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy paper cones. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need standard 8.5 by 11-inch paper, ideally food-safe, to ensure it's safe for direct contact with your sweet treat. Also, have a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler, and a pencil ready for precise measurements. Finally, a strong, food-safe adhesive or tape is crucial for securing your cone firmly. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare your paper. Lay your 8.5 by 11-inch sheet flat on a clean surface. Using your ruler and pencil, carefully measure a perfect 10-inch by 10-inch square from one corner of the paper. Precision here is key for a well-formed cone. Once marked, take your scissors and cut along those lines with steady hands. This 10-inch square will be the foundation for your delightful cotton candy cone, so take your time to get it right. With your square ready, it's time to form the cone shape. Take one corner of the 10-inch square and begin rolling it tightly towards the opposite corner. You want to create a narrow, pointed tip at one end and a wider opening at the other, perfect for holding fluffy cotton candy. Ensure the roll is snug and firm, as this will give your cone stability. Overlap the edges by about 1 inch to create a strong, secure seam for the next step. Finally, let's secure your beautifully formed cone. Apply a thin, even line of your food-safe adhesive along the 1-inch overlapped edge. Press the seam firmly together for at least 30 seconds, allowing the adhesive to begin bonding. If you prefer, a small piece of food-safe tape can also be used to reinforce the seam. It's important to let the adhesive dry completely, which usually takes a few minutes, before filling your cone with delicious cotton candy. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.